Hey guys, it's Graziana. We're coming at you, and today we're gonna make slime, clear slime. Now let's go to this room, and I'll show you the floor. And now I'll show you the floor. The floor is so disgusting. The whole room. I need that glass. So yes, like this. So don't put it like this. Up here, so you guys can see. Ready? Sorry. And it's like 10:50. My father just woke up. So using a hand. So, I'm gonna be using this kind of glue. I don't know what brand is this, but I just love it. The glue is such this type of glue. Pretty flat type of glue, but doesn't is a string glue. Look, like a string of glue. I think you guys can see it. So yeah. Okay. I made a lot of slimes. I'll tell you how I made them. Let me organize this first. Okay. It's really messy. Okay. Contact solution. Okay, so the ingredients I'm going to use is baking soda and contact solution, and plus glue. This glue doesn't really work well, so don't blame me. Blame the glue. It's like fake slime. This glue is like a fake slime. Can you guys hear me? Squeeze it all out. A little bit of slime. So now I need to put my own fish or whatever inside the pot. After you put in the baking soda, stir it. not becoming slime yet, but it's gonna be. We tried hard enough. And also I have to do this. Ugh. I even have a glasses degree, so I can't like see very far. So yeah. Punch me in the face, I'll punch you back in the face. I said I love you now. It won't actually hurt anyone. But if you punch me in the face, I'll just like get really mad and to kick you, scratch you, pinch you. Yeah, I will do all of that and try to beat you up. Not in school though. Not in school. I will only kick you, but not very hard. I made a lot of slides. But my mom always buy me the slides with. And I'm only 9 years old. Same as little Tay. Little Tay is not my outdoor touch. But she was almost the same as me. I don't really like to use people, but who cares? Like, yeah, who cares? So, yeah. I tried making a black slime with my black markers. It didn't. I'll talk to you guys later. Alright? This trip is so wobbly. It's shaking. Talk to you guys later. Bye. So I am done. I put it into this. So this container. There's a little bit inside. It's all black, so you can't see it. Yeah. It's such a pretty purple. Such a pretty purple. I can put a cute almost signature. I don't think almost signature. This one. I created a picture of this one. It hasn't been uploaded anywhere since. Who cares? So, I'm almost done. Oh, I'm done. I'm done. Let's start reading it. Someone wanna give it some. What is the dark have a marker? It's like open it. So that we can marker. Yeah, I'll see how it's out. Tomorrow there'll be a video. Universal Studios. I love that park. So is probably better for the time. This is blackberry. This is blueberry. It's a white slime. This color. Baby blue color. Purple red. I use this light color. And purple red, I use these two. Blackberry. Sorry, blackberry. This. This color looks like silver. Looks disgusting. Looks disgusting. And these residue. Serious. It's dripping. It lives in these residue. I hate it so much. Ugh. You guys have any kinetic sand? Please get smoothie food. This is my favorite kind of purple. So yeah. I got to do my outro. So that's all I have. So that's all I have for y'all today. Hope you guys give it. So, I hope y'all give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and click subscribe. And make sure to click that little bell that goes ding 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 ding. And comment down below if you want me to do like a Q&A. Oh yeah, it's been 20 minutes. Bye. Little white girl is out. Bye.